sit right down while we sing our song. If you know the lyrics and you can sing on, clap your hands and pat your feet until it's time to go. We hope you all enjoy the Bird and I Show. Welcome everybody to the Bird and I Show.
New Year's edition!
New Year's edition, that's right. You know, I just got to thinking, boys, we're probably not going to be able to do another one of these till next year.
I know it.
So, man, that's a long ways away.
No, we did that last
Yeah.
year. Last year.
We did that last year. That's right, we did. So, New Year's.
Something to shoot for.
Something to shoot for, that's right. All right, guys, we want to thank everybody for tuning in. And listen, help us out just a little bit. And reach down and click that like button.
Share it even.
And share it, that's right. But click the subscribe button, guys. And subscribe. We're going to try to do all the contests. And listen, under comments, if you got a song you want us to sing or something, you go right ahead and type it in there for us and get it on there. We'll try our best to learn it and do it for you. And just let us know how we're doing and give us them thumbs up. But click that subscribe button. It don't cost nothing to do, and it really helps us on this channel. We're trying to grow it, and we're trying to get our music out there just a little bit and have a little fun while doing it. Toe tapping, good time.
Yeah.
So we're going on this edition of Bird and I. We're going to do just a little bit bluegrass numbers, some of our favorites, some of mine, some of Bird's, and some of Papa Bird's over here. You notice we got Papa Bird back by popular demand on here.
Hello, everybody.
So as long as we can use him in here, we're gonna keep him coming.
Yeah, we found him on the side of the road.
Yeah. And
And
what I heard that Sandy placed some new pots and pans underneath that tree. So he's out of trouble now. He's scot free.
Yeah.
So I mean, he might bring and play them one evening for us.
Now that would be a joke.
That would be.
let's get it.
All right. Here's an old number. For many years I've been a rolling stone, my darling.
Miss Fran, she likes this song a whole lot, so we'll send this one out to Miss Fran.
Yeah, this is a good one. This is a song about a guy in prison. Is that where this is at? Kind of
Yeah.
this place.
Yeah.
So,
Now he goes through some tough times.
all right, guys. Well,
You ready, Bird?
here we go. Papa Bird.
I was born one rainy morning, just before I was to die. 5 years later, Daddy left us. Was that alright? Down outside. Rain, oh rain, leave me alone. Your eyes keep playing, you're still my home. Troubles always comes around. Each time that rain starts falling down. Seems like time goes by so quickly. The river fast and grew apart. Now that time goes by so slowly. That old rain from the prison yard. Rain, oh rain, leave me alone.
I had a cough right in the middle of the song.
It's all right.
Alright, fellers and fellerettes.
Listen, remember, the Bird and Eye Show. Click like on here, guys.
Yeah, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Also, wish him a happy birthday. His birthday's coming up soon.
Hey, guess what? Wish him a happy birthday. His birthday's coming up soon.
Birthday twins.
We are. I mean, it's like same day event. I mean,
Uh-huh.
I don't know what happened. You know, meteors crashed in the sun.
I'm gonna be old and he's gonna be there in dirt.
That's why he's Bird and I'm Eye.
That's right.
So,
I hope you all had a good New Year.
yeah, I hope everybody's safe and everybody's well out there. And guys, we appreciate you. We really do. The ones that tune in and tell your friends. Get your friends on here.
Yeah.
Tell them, come on in. Click that like button. Click that subscribe button.
Give us a holler and let us know what you
Yeah,
want to hear.
send in comments in here. Get us some material. I mean, we're just a bunch of guys sitting around jamming, having fun, and I really enjoy this. I mean, I enjoy the section, and
We
hope you all enjoy the Bird and Eye Show. Oh, thank you much. Tune in again.
see you next week. I'm Bird.
I'm I.
And I'm Papa Bird.
So
Big Bird.
Bird, I, Big Bird, I, Bird. All right, bye. See you.